Expertise used to be the most valuable currency in civilization. Spend decades mastering a domain, and you became irreplaceable. Your knowledge was scarce. Your judgment refined through experience. Your skills impossible to replicate without similar investment. That entire model just collapsed. Artificial intelligence doesn't need decades. It needs data. And once it has enough data, it doesn't just match expert-level performance. It exceeds Italiano. The radiologist who trained for 15 years is outperformed by an AI that trained on 15 million scans. The lawyer who memorized decades of case law is beaten by a system that processed every legal decision ever recorded. Expertise used to mean you knew more than others. Now it means you know less than a machine. And this isn't future speculation. It's current reality. AI systems already surpass human experts in medical diagnoses, legal research, financial analyses, engineering design, and scientific research. They identify cancer in imaging scans that specialists miss. They predict market movements with accuracy no trader can match. They discover drug compounds that decades of pharmaceutical research overlooked. The gap isn't closing, it's accelerating. Because human experts have limits. You can only read so many papers, see so many cases, accumulate so much experience in a single lifetime. Your pattern recognition improves with repetition, but it plateaus. Your judgment gets better, then your expertise becomes both your greatest asset and your cognitive prison. AI has no such limits. It processes every paper ever published simultaneously. It learns from billions of examples across millions of domains. It updates continuously, incorporating new information without forgetting old patterns. It doesn't get tired, biased, or stuck in outdated frameworks. It just keeps getting better. And here's what that means for human experts. Your career is already over. You just haven't been told yet. Medical specialists will be the first to understand. Hospitals are already implementing AI diagnostic systems that outperform their best doctors. Not sometimes. Consistently. The systems catch diseases earlier, recommend treatments with higher success rates, and make fewer errors. Insurance companies will demand their use. Patients will prefer them. And doctors will transition from experts to intermediaries explaining what the AI decided to people who do understand the math. Legal experts are next. AI legal systems already write better briefs, conduct more thorough research, and predict case outcomes with eerie accuracy. Partners at law firms spent decades building expertise that AI replicates in minutes. Junior lawyers entering the field will never develop that expertise because the learning cases, the document review, the research assignments are already automated. The expertise pipeline breaks, and nothing replaces it because the model was always novices learn from experts, gradually accumulating knowledge until they become experts themselves. But when AI performs expert-level work from day one, novices never get the repetitions that build expertise. They go directly from student to obsolete without ever passing through valuable. And the experts themselves face an identity crisis, unlike anything in professional history. Imagine spending 40 years becoming the world's leading authority on something, then watching a system with 6 months of training surpass you. Your entire sense of self was built on being the person people came to for answers. Now the answers are better, faster, and cheaper from a source that doesn't have your name, your experience, or your consciousness. You're not just unemployed. You're irrelevant. Some experts will deny it. They'll insist that human judgment, intuition, and experience provide value A. I can't replicate. They'll be wrong. Not philosophically, but economically. The market doesn't care about irreplaceable human wisdom when replaceable machine intelligence produces better outcomes. Others will become curators of AI output. They'll verify what the systems produce, explain it to non-experts, add the human touch that makes technical expertise palatable. But this isn't expertise. It's customer service for algorithms, and the next generation won't even try. Why spend a decade becoming an expert when expertise is worthless by the time you achieve it? Why accumulate specialized knowledge when general AI provides better insights instantly? Why dedicate your life to mastery when machines are already masters? The entire concept of specialized knowledge acquired through years of focused effort becomes anachronistic. A relic from when human cognitive limitations made specialization necessary. But in a world where AI knows everything about everything simultaneously, specialization is just artificial scarcity. And scarcity without value is just waste. So, expertise dies. Not because humans stop learning, but because learning stops mattering. The experts retire into obscurity, the students abandon the path, and the institutions built around cultivating human expertise. Professional organizations, apprenticeship systems discover they're training people for a role that no longer exists. What's left is a world where anyone can access expert-level knowledge instantly, which means expertise stops being expertise and becomes commodity, where the thing that took humans lifetimes to build takes machines moments to exceed. And the experts, the people who sacrificed everything to know more than others, learn the hardest lesson. Being right doesn't matter when machines are righter. Expertise is over, and we're about to discover what happens to a civilization built on specialized knowledge when knowledge itself becomes universally, instantly, perfectly available to everyone, or rather, to everything.